What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing compilation number 4 of all my Rubik's Cube tricks. So I'm going to be doing it on my multi-cube and also my game cube. So the first trick we got is the one-center dot checkerboard combination trick. So first you're going to go up 2 times, middle 2 times. Then you're going to turn your cube this way. Then you go middle 2 times. Then you're going to do up 2 times. And you got the opposite one-center dot and a checkerboard. So this is one of my favorite tricks. I love the color combination. So to solve it back, you're just going to the reverse way and solve. So next trick we got is the one-center dot cross combination trick. So first you're going to go right 2 times, equator 2 times, right 2 times. You should have got this opposite one-center dot and a straight line. You're going to turn this straight line into the checkerboard and then into the cross. So checkerboard, then into cross. So this is the one-center dot checkerboard combination trick. I really like the colors matching. So to solve this back, you're just going to do the reverse way. And solved. So next we got the cross pattern. So first you're gonna do the checkerboard. So then you're gonna go up 2 times, middle down 2 times, and then you're gonna turn your cube to the red center side. Then you're gonna go middle 2 times and up 2 times again. And this is the cross pattern. To solve it back, just the reverse way. So the next trick we got is the special checkerboard, my most favorite trick. So first you're going to go front, back 2 times, right, down 2 times, back, right, up, down, right, left, down, front, right 2 times, down, front 2 times, and back. And this is the special checkerboard. It looks really nice. Different colors of the checkerboard. So to solve this back, you're just going to do the reverse way. And solved. So the next trick we got is checkerboard in a cube. This one's going to take some time for the algorithm, so let's get started. We're going to go left, back, down, up, right, down 2 times, R 2 times, down, left, right, front, up. So you're going to repeat the algorithm one more time. So left, back, down, up, right, down 2 times, right 2 times, down, left, right, front, and up. So that is the checkerboard and cube. It looks really nice. You got the opposite here. So you're going to repeat the algorithm 4 times again to solve this back. So let's get started. So after you did it one more time, it's going to look like this. Then you repeat again. Left, back, down, up, right, down 2 times, right 2 times, down, left, right, front, up. Repeat it 2 more times. one more time. Left, back, down, up, right, down 2 times, right 2 times, down, left, right, front, up, and solved. So the next pattern we got is the twister pattern. Our last pattern of compilation number 4. So let's do it. So first you're going to go front, right, up, left, front, up, right, up, left, up, left, front. And that is the twister pattern. So you got the opposite here. To sew this bag, you're just going to do it the reverse way. And solved. So that was compilation number 4 of all my Rubik's Cube tricks. So see you guys on my next videos.